everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my sister with me. She is younger. We're going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. We have all our stuff laid out in front of us. Oh, by the way, her name is Katelyn.
Oh,
say hello.
Hello.
We're going to be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. We have everything laid out in front of us. So I have a timer in front of me. We have 5 minutes to complete certain things. Our goal is to do a full face glam look. We have certain things written on a list that we need to accomplish, and we get a point for each of them at the end of the 5 minutes. So we have foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, blush, highlight, brows, eyeshadow, at least 3 different eyeshadows minimum, a wing liner, mascara, false lashes, lipstick, and lip gloss. We'll see how much each of us gets, and yeah. Actually, I want to get mine open first because I have to pump mine out.
I want to take my lid off then. Ooh, that's cheating!
You can put yours on. We'll both do it. Alright, we're starting. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
I don't do foundation every day. Why are you breathing so heavily?
Because I'm nervous.
I put too much foundation on.
It's not going to be blended nicely.
We should get points for blending.
No way. Too hard. I'm just swiping it on.
I'm trying to dab. I normally dab. Why is this so dark? That's why I don't wear foundation every day. Because I'm tanned now.
Okay. Okay, foundation done. Concealer, where's the concealer?
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
We're just gonna get foundation done. Okay.
I thought we'd have more time. I feel like it would have way more time.
Okay, good enough, good enough.
What? No, not good enough.
Brush. Alright, like that. Bronzer.
I put too much.
Did you pause the... Okay, that's good. Whatever. Blush with blush. Highlight.
My hair's my face.
Brows. Ah, that was the wrong end.
Ah, your phone is on top of my stuff!
Okay, we're ready now. Spit primer. Eyeshadow.
What are we at? Too stressed.
1, 2. A minute and a half left.
What?
1, 2. Fingers.
Okay.
1, 2. Third color. 3.
1 and 2. This is 2 colors together.
Wing.
Huh.
Okay. Mascara.
Where's my... It's everywhere. It's everywhere.
Lipstick, lipstick, lipstick. 18 seconds left.
What? I literally have like nothing on. I'm not gonna get ring or lipstick on.
Lip gloss. Okay, stop. Timer's done.
I finished my mascara.
No, timer's done. Hands up, hands up, hands up.
No, I gotta finish my mascara.
Hands up.
I already was putting it on anyways.
Oh my god. My lip gloss is all over my face.
My
wing liner.
I don't even have a wing liner.
Alright. So that was our 5-minute makeup challenge to see what we hit. So I got foundation. Do you?
Yes.
Alright, I got concealer.
Yeah.
I got powder. Bronzer.
Yeah.
We got blush.
Mm-hmm.
I got highlight. I got brows. Did you do brows?
Yeah.
I got 3. I got the lighter shade, the shimmery, and the darker shade. What do you have?
I have the brown, the red, and the gold.
Alright, so that's 3 for eyeshadow. I got the wing eyeliner. You didn't.
I didn't.
What are you at?
7.
So I'm at 8, because I got one more than
I
you.
think I'm at 7.
And then got mascara and lipstick. No, and I got the gloss. So I'm at 11. What are you at?
8.
8. I won. I mean, it's not too bad for considering how fast I went. Like, it looks pretty good on camera.
Yeah.
Let's see yours. The eyeshadow doesn't look too bad, and neither does the base. You're just going too slow. No, you're not allowed to touch
I
out.
want to finish.
Alright, everyone. So we didn't even get to false lashes.
Told you wouldn't.
Yeah. So this was our 5-minute makeup challenge. It was a lot harder than it seems. Did not blend anything, just threw it on. Didn't even make it to the lips.
Because I blended.
Yeah, a lot harder. I mean, it wasn't too bad. So I know I could do my makeup full glam probably a lot quicker than I normally do, which is like over an hour.
Same.
But at the same time, I do need to take my time to blend. Alright, if you enjoyed this video and having my sister here on my channel, I thought it would be just a fun idea and funny to watch. Thank you for watching. Bye.